Kings of Crunch Series 3 1972 Chevrolet C20 Gentle Ben 1. Please hit the pause button to read who else is in the Kings of Crunch Series 3. Here comes Gentle Ben 1 up top of the cars. Look at this paint scheme that they made for this monster truck. Back here in the back of the body it says Bear 4x4. It has Gentle Ben 1, and it also has a picture of a bear as well on the side of the truck. Here we go in the front of the truck, what it looks like. The headlights, the grill, Chevrolet. Gentle Ben was from Greenwood, Indiana. On the other side, also, there we go with a look. And then in the back, Indiana's own on the tailgate. Let me get a closer shot. I remember seeing this truck on the VHS tapes that I recorded off of the television shows of the TNT Monster Truck Challenge. Nice to see Gentle Ben 1 here in the Kings of Crunch limited edition series of a diecast. Thank you for tuning in.